Hi signers, welcome to Quiz Signs. Can you guess the country from just a map or satellite image? Listen carefully to the clues and see how many you can get right. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome quizzes every week. Let's play! This is a country in Oceania with its capital city in Canberra. This is a country in North America with its capital city in Washington, D.C. This is a country in Europe and Asia with its capital city in Moscow. This is a country in East Asia with its capital city in Tokyo. This is a country in Southeast Asia with its capital city in Jakarta. This is a country in East Asia with its capital city in Ulaanbaatar. This is a country in Southern Europe with its capital city in Rome. This is a country in both Europe and Asia with its capital city in Ankara. This is a country in Southeast Asia with its capital city in Kuala Lumpur. This is a country in the Middle East, Asia, with its capital city in Riyadh. This is a country in Oceania with its capital city in Port Moresby. This is a country in Central America with its capital city in Panama City. This is a country in North America with its capital city in Ottawa. This is a country in the Middle East, Asia, with its capital city in Baghdad. This is a country in West Africa with its capital city in Abuja. This is a country in North Africa with its capital city in Cairo. This is a country in Western Europe with its capital city in Paris. This is a country in North Africa with its capital city in Tunis. This is a country in Southern Europe with its capital city in Lisbon. This is a country in Europe with its capital city in London. This is a country in South America with its capital city in Buenos Aires. This is a country in Eastern Europe with its capital city in Kiev. This is a country in East Africa with its capital city in Antananarivo. This is a country in the Middle East, Asia, with its capital city in Doha. This is a country in Southern Europe with its capital city in Madrid. This is a country in Southeast Asia with its capital city in Bangkok. This is a country in South America with its capital city in Caracas. This is a country in Southern Europe with its capital city in Athens. This is a country in Northern Europe with its capital city in Copenhagen. That's the end of today's quiz. How many countries did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below. We'd love to know how you did. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next geography quiz on Quiz Signs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next quiz.